Have you ever seen a classic American muscle car that not only looked powerful but also broke all the engineering rules of its time? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the revolutionary 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado, a car that was years ahead of its time, and the first American front-wheel drive car since the 1930s. This one's for the true car lovers who appreciate innovation, design, and pure V8 power. History and launch. In 1966, Oldsmobile, a division of General Motors, took a bold step and introduced the Toronado, a car unlike anything else on the road at that time. It was the first American front-wheel drive production car in nearly 30 years. The Toronado wasn't just about its drivetrain, it was about making a statement. In fact, it was such a groundbreaking car that it won Motor Trend's Car of the Year award in its very first year. Oldsmobile set out to build a futuristic grand touring car, and they nailed it. Design and styling. The 1966 Toronado had one of the boldest and most aggressive designs of its era. Its long, wide body, sharp edges, and hidden pop-up headlights gave it a space-age look. It was the work of designer Bill Mitchell, who envisioned a car that looked like the future. One of the coolest features. A completely flat floor inside. Thanks to the front-wheel drive layout, there was no transmission tunnel. This gave the car a more spacious and comfortable interior. And let's not forget those signature sweeping fenders. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 1966 Toronado packed serious heat, a 425 cubic inch rocket V8 engine producing 385 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. That power was delivered through a specially designed turbo-hydromatic 425 transmission, mounted up front. Even with its large size and weight, the Toronado could hit 0 to 60 mph in about 7.5 seconds, which was very impressive for the time. It was smooth, powerful, and had that unmistakable American muscle growl. But it wasn't just about speed, it handled surprisingly well, too. Engineering innovation. Animations or close-ups of front wheel. The most revolutionary aspect of the Toronado was its front-wheel drive system, unheard of in American cars back then. This layout offered better traction, especially in poor weather, and gave engineers more flexibility in interior design. GM engineers created a unique solution to transmit power from that massive V8 to the front wheels, and it worked brilliantly. The result was a car that felt different, smoother, more stable, and ahead of its time in terms of handling. Sales and market impact. Oldsmobile sold around 40,000 units of the 1966 Toronado, a strong showing for such a radical new car. It wasn't aimed at the average driver, this was a car for someone who wanted innovation, luxury, and performance in one package. The success of the Toronado paved the way for other front-wheel drive GM models, including the Cadillac Eldorado. It proved that front-wheel drive wasn't just for compact economy cars, it could be cool, powerful, and luxurious too. Legacy and collectability. Today, the 1966 Toronado is a collector's gem. Its unique engineering, bold styling, and historical importance make it a highly sought-after piece of automotive history. You can still find well-maintained or restored models at classic car shows, and every time, it turns heads. If you're lucky enough to drive one, you'll feel the innovation and power that made this car so special back in the day. So that's the story of the 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado, a true pioneer in American car history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more classic car content. And let us know in the comments, which car should we cover next?